Oh, nice. Hey, if you've been following along my videos, and I hope you have, I've been cleaning out here, and there used to be all kinds of shavings down here, wood shavings and stuff all through here. Look how nice and clean it is now. I've got everything all cleaned up, got rid of all the termite food, and I've still got some remnants of plywood and different things that was down in here that I've got to take out from here, because you're not supposed to have any wood down here. But I've got it all nicely cleaned. Hey, it took me a while, but hey, you know, better me than a termite inspector who's going to charge me 40 bucks an hour to do that. And then if he sees anything down here, he's going to have to spray and all that kind of stuff. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about using these things right here. Here's a channel locks. It's called a channel locks, and this is a medium size, and they've got 3 different sizes. Actually, they probably got 4 different sizes. They got little teeny ones and some a little bit smaller than this, and some actually bigger than that. And then I've got a crescent wrench here, and this is a medium size crescent wrench. What is our project today? Well, see these things here? These are called earthquake support straps and brackets. And here's a threaded rod. That threaded rod goes down into the concrete. I looked on the plans, and it's supposed to go down 16 inches down. This threaded rod right here goes down in the concrete. That holds everything. Then this gets bolted onto that, and then it gets screwed in, drilled in with some long bolts. And then here's some big old huge nuts here, 6x6 posts. And I looked on the plans, and this house is about 19 years old, close to 20 years now. And we moved in here about 1.5 years ago. And I'm down underneath the house, and I was just looking around and thought, you know what? I should check these and make sure that they're tight. And see this? Look at that. It's not even tight. I just get my fingers in there, and it's loose. That should not be loose. These are earthquake support straps, and usually they're not on all houses, but lots of 2-story houses, and depending what county you're in, what state you're in, the requirements might be different. But see, there's 2 there, and that keeps the building, the home, from swaying in an earthquake, or if there's really super high winds. We've gotten 80-mile-an-hour winds here before, and see, there's another one right there. Here's another one over there, and we're going to check these and see if the bolts are tight. And lots of these bolts are not tight. There's another one there, and see here there's even one over in here. They don't necessarily have to be on the exterior walls. These are all exterior walls. Well, this section here is. That's an interior walls. Here's an interior, and then there's some others on the other side all the way through there. So I'm going to check all those out today. So if you want to watch that, stick around. Now you might be saying, Joe, this house is 19, 20 years old. Why are you even checking this? And shouldn't these be tight? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's... I thought I had a crescent wrench big enough for these bolts, but I don't. I don't know. I don't think I have a bigger one. I'm gonna have to go back in the garage and look. I sure thought I had one, but I guess I can come in here and tighten these with my channel locks. See, I brought my channel locks and my crescent in case the bolt started twisting over there. This one's not twisting though. Look how much I can turn this thing. Now it's tight. Can you believe that? I'm sure when they built this house, these were all tight. Well, that seems to work with just the channel locks. Okay. I don't know how they got this loose though. Over 19 years. But if you can get underneath your house, and if you have like a 2-story house, or even a one-story, and you can get underneath your house if it's on a hill or a slope or something, maybe they have these. And like I say, not all houses are going to have these. Okay, I thought it was spinning, but it's not. See how loose that was? And not all houses are going to have this, but if your house does, even if you don't think it does, go down underneath your house and check. There. Wow, that's just on this one here. This one's nice now, and it's just kind of amazing. I wasn't even gonna check these at all, and I was down here for some other things, and let's see if I can't get you situated up on this hill without turning my camera off. Okay, let's see here. Oh. I don't know. I might have to, yeah, I don't think you're going to be able to see it from there. But in any case, let's see what I can do about getting you set up here on a hill. See, I'm down on a hill here, and I'm trying to adjust my video camera, my tripod, and like I said, I wasn't even gonna plan on doing this. Now here's the bolts here, and I just happen to have about 1.5 inches over here where the nuts are, and I'm not quite sure if I can even get in there. Okay. I think that was the bottom. I think that was the bottom one. Oh, okay, that one's tight. One so far was tight. Okay, I've got those two tight. Isn't that something? That is just unbelievable that's even like that. Now there's another one. See, there's two over there, right there in the corner. And oh, okay. Let's see if I can't get those and check those out. See that? Look at that. It's just, I just don't quite understand how these could have gotten so loose. And I'm sure whoever installed this, the inspector would have had to have checked this when they built this, when they installed these. So I think it just might be over time that they loosened up. But this will help prevent your house from swaying. I guess it'll still sway like in an earthquake, but you see all of the actual wall that this one's on is all tied down by a threaded rod here that goes down into the concrete stem wall and goes way down in there. And that's going to help prevent your house from too much damage or any major damage or anything like that. Obviously right now, if something were to happen and these weren't tight, I mean that might do some damage on the house, start cracking the stucco, who knows.